Anyone who always wants a touch of professionality in his or her design should never opt for low quality images. It gives your design a non-professional look. It can make you lose potential clients. Such low quality designs can't expose you to more clients. This video will tell you best 20 websites to get high quality images, and it starts right now. Hi there, it's Dennis Joshua from Delight Hands TV. If you want to learn how to make creative designs with Photoshop and CorelDRAW, start by clicking the subscribe button and hit on the bell so you won't miss any video. There are over 100 websites that can provide you with high quality images, but only 20 to mention in this video. If you have not known this before, thank me later after watching this video. So the first website is Pexels.com. They will always give you free stock photos and video libraries, and Unsplash.com offers free high resolution photos. Freepik.com, one of my best websites, they will always provide you with free vectors, stock photos and PSD files. And how about pixabay.com? They have over 1.8 high quality images and videos. Depositphotos.com has over 168 million high resolution images just for you. And Bust.shopify.com is rated good for shopping high quality images online. Stocksnap.io are for high resolution images. Reshoot.com has the hand-picked non-stocky images. Foodiesfood.com, they will provide you with high quality images pertaining to anything food. I bet you after visiting this website, you will always have a feel of going back again. Gratisography.com gives free unique photos. Freestock.org has high quality images just for you. Picography.com will always give you high resolution photos. Get your high resolution photos here at picography.com. How about Foca.com? They will always provide you with photos, videos and templates. Pigjumbo.com has beautiful free stock photos all for you, and Carbonpix.com has free stock photographs and color palettes. Also Skitterphotos.com, they are all for your high resolution photos, and the lifeofpix.com for your high resolution photography. And check out littlevisuals.com for your high resolution images. Newoldstock.com, they will always provide you with old and ancient looking photos. And lastly, the pixabay.com for free high resolution photographs. I have 2 tips for you. Anytime you want to download a photo from any website, don't just right click on the photo and click save image. Rather go through the normal downloading process so you get the high resolution of that photo. And the last tip is always stick to high quality images. Thanks so much for watching this video. See you in our next video.